Hello, I'm Rosalee de la Forêt, and welcome to the Herbs with Rosalee channel, where we're not just talking about medicinal plants, we're a little bit obsessed with them. If you've ever stopped to smell a plant like it's a fine wine or brewed tea from herbs from your own garden, or spotted a plant and wondered, can I eat this? Then you are definitely among friends. I've been an herbalist for over 2 decades, sharing my plant love with tens of thousands of students through my online school, 2 best-selling books, and the Herbs with Rosalee podcast, which just passed 1 million downloads. And I'm pretty sure in plant math, that's basically a whole forest of listeners. And yes, I still get giddy every time someone tells me that they used what they learned and then felt the difference. It's really the best kind of full circle moment, like planting a seed and then just seeing it sprout. On this channel, you'll find me chatting with herbalists and plant lovers from all walks of life, sharing beautifully illustrated recipes, going deep on the quirks and gifts of individual plants, and giving you tips that you can use right away, because the real joy happens when you roll up your sleeves in your own kitchen or backyard and start making things happen. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, hit subscribe so you don't miss an episode. And if you want recipes, tips, and plant musings to show up magically, like a little gift in your inbox, wander over to herbswithrosalee.com and sign up for my newsletter. It's definitely the best way for us to stay in touch. And before I go, I'd love for you to meet the amazing crew who makes this entire thing possible. Emily keeps the podcast running smoothly, from guest coordination to show notes, and does some serious lifting to get this out to you week after week. Nicole keeps the entire Herbs with Rosalee school and community running like a well-tended herbal garden. Francesca is our video and audio editor who makes everything look and sound amazing. Tatiana creates the gorgeous botanical illustrations that you see in our recipes and videos. And then Jenny brings those designs to life in our recipe cards and YouTube thumbnails and lots of other things. Alex handles all things tech and social media, so I don't have to, which makes me eternally grateful. Karen and Emily, yep, that's the same Emily, they support our wonderful students and community. So if you ever write in or comment, you'll likely hear from them. Jennifer creates the transcripts each week, and Xavier, my handsome French husband, is our camera guy and behind-the-scenes web wizard. Well, that's the crew, and this is the channel for the plant obsessed. Thanks for being here. Truly couldn't be here without you, which means officially you're part of the crew now too. All right, let's go play with some plants.